What's up, guys? I hope you're well. Today we are at Golden Gate Canyon State Park Mountain Lion Trailhead. It's going to be a difficult trail. I got about 3 hours of sleep last night, and today I am repping the D's. I will see you on the trail. And away we go on the trail. It's going up a little bit. Not too bad. So we're about a mile in so far. We're still in the easy part. If they say that this is difficult, we're gonna find that out probably sooner than later. I heard there's like a creek and stuff. Well, in order for us to find the creek, we must come off this hill and go down there. We'll see you further down the trail. And just like that, literally 10 seconds after I said, you know, we're gonna have to go downhill. It's pretty steep. Go here where it's kind of flat. And as you can see behind me, Tracy and Josh are kind of coming down too. All right. Hopefully we get into the woods because it should be about 85 by the time we're done, and that sucks on a hike. We tried to leave early, and we did. I mean, we got here about 7:45. But yeah, we should be done somewhere around noon. So we got a lot of walking ahead of us.
Down to your chest.
Not sure if I said this at the beginning of the video, but shout out to the Melbourne Demons who beat Essendon today. Got Scary in the fourth. Shout out to Sean Ducks. What up, Ducksy? Here's some water. Oh, I'm about 2.5 miles in. A little winded. About another mile. And stop for the trail beer, which will mark about halfway through this trail. Really freaking beautiful. It's freaking awesome with the stream and the waterfalls and everything. Love it. Let's keep going. I think I can, I think I can, I think I can. Holy smokes. We're like about almost halfway. Done. Just looking for a good spot to sit and have a beer. Yeah. Excuse me, geez. We're about halfway through. Got my trail beer right here. It's a Michelob Ultra and a nice little Corona seltzer koozie. Crack it open. Oh, another squirter. Delicious. I'll see you back on the trail. Whew, finally hit some a flat area. Well, it looks like we're about to go back down, to go back up, to go back down, to go back up and down, up and down. Still a really beautiful trail. I really like this one. Cheers. Oh God, oh my God, it just doesn't end. Oh, Jesus, all the way up from, hi, little Tim Allen there for you. Oh my God. I'm not built for this. Plus, especially on 3 hours of sleep. Listen, I'll sleep like a baby tonight. I'm gonna wait for my friends. Oh my God. We still have like 2.5 miles. Hopefully it's downhill for the most part. This is brutal. Going down. Try to give you the good angle of this. Can't really probably see through there, but that's Mount Evans. I mean, blue sky. Whatever, it's fucking Mount Evans.
Skittles to me.
It's about 2 Skittles for Josh. Shit's getting legit. Oh my god, the down. Oh. Ah, I got people. Oh, focus on me. Alright, I want to record these guys because they probably don't want to. But yeah, so far this hike's been tricky. Yep, fun.
Speaking of which.
Alright, I think we got about a mile and a half to go. So far we've been going 2 hours and 14 minutes, so we're actually shredding through this one pretty quick for being 6.8 miles, so roughly about 7. So not too bad, man. We always hike quicker than the estimated length that All Trails says. So bada bing, bada boom. Shout out to All Trails, keeping us on track. Appreciate it. All right, we got to be getting close to the end of it because I'm starting to tap out a little bit. My feet are shot, but we got a pretty little lake over here. Walk up to it. Lake Titicaca. No swimming. Well, there's no moving water, so that makes sense. Here we run that one. We go up to the lake. Alligator. We got them alligator in these ponds. Oh, like how they give us information. All this information. Yep. Oh wow. Very cool. Very, very cool. All right, guys. I'll see you at the end of the trail. Okay, Josh wrapped up that hike pretty close to 7.5 miles, and it was 9.24 according to Josh's watch, and like 7 point whatever according to mine. About 3 hour and 20 minute hike. Nailed it. See y'all at the brewery. Yes. All right, I am at Cannonball Creek having the Dad Squad German Pilsner. It's a little one. As I said in the video, beginning, I got very little sleep and beer's not hitting right, but it's 4.9% German Pils. Ugh, that's the ticket. Good beer, enjoyable. Cheers. All right, we are now at Old Capitol Grill in Golden, Colorado, and I got a Barman Pilsner, slow poured Pilsner. Look at that. The head's gone down a little bit, but cheers. Oh, I could get more of that in my life. So smooth, so silky, sweet, delicious. Yes, very tasty. Yeah, all right, guys, we are wrapping it up from Mountain Toad Brewing, Golden, Colorado. I've got a blueberry Kolsch. Czech lager, another blueberry Kolsch. Heck yeah, enjoyable hike, tasty beers. Hike kicked my butt, but it was a lot of fun. With that being said, I want to thank you all for watching. Stay safe, and I'll see you on the trails. Bye.